Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing to do. I do believe it's an Amazon Prime unboxing. I have the link down below, and it's coming from MPOW. So check them out, guys. And thank you guys for watching today. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go. Let's see what goodies are inside. Mystery package number 1. Here we go. Booklight? What is this? I am curious. Whoa. This is something different. You got a USB, I see. Take that off. Whoa. Check this out. Oh, you can put this around your neck. So if you're on an airplane, on your private jet, whoa, it's pretty bright. So you point it down. There we go. Oops. Here's a button right here you press. Whoa. On brightness, okay. I'm gonna shut this light off. So if you're on a plane late night or in your room at a hotel somewhere, you want to read your book or maybe your phone, bam. Dang. Take a look at that. So you're looking down. Yeah, these are, whoa, incoming. Sorry about that. But it's so flexible. You can stretch if you got a big neck. Look at that. Great stuff right here, guys. This is something cool. Very useful, too. It's bright. Say if you're working on your car, you could use that for working on your car. Your home, you could use it for. Man, this is definitely a useful tool that came out this year. So like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, and order a couple for yourself. Great stocking stuffers for those hard to get people. There's one in every family, but yeah, this is something cool. Especially for like camping. If you go camping, you can use these for hiking through the night, riding your bike. Extra pair of headlights. I'm going to shut these off. Alright, hold on 1 second. Oh, back to normal. But yeah, these are definitely cool, guys. See, big neck right there. Boom. It's lightweight too. USB charger goes here. We don't need to plug it in, so you just plug it in like that. Boom. Slide it into a USB splat. Like a power charger or those power portable chargers. I don't know. There's so many different names. Those bricks. Yeah, this is. Everything's cool about this. I mean, you got the switch. Boom, boom. Alright, guys. So, click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast, guys. Be safe, have a good night, and see you soon.